we're going to use the limit of the derivative to find the slope of the tangent line to the curve. All right, we have to use the definition of the derivative to find the derivative. I'm going to write over, we got to write the limit definition of the derivative. So it's f prime x equals lim h approaches 0, fx plus h minus fx divided by h, and tangent line to y equals f of x at x equals a. You do need an x value to find a tangent line. So the equation just shifted into black ink. That's fine. Y equals. Now normally it'd be m x minus x naught plus y naught. The only difference now is we're going to swap out these two right here for something slightly different. So the slope is f prime at a. That's the slope of the original function at the a value. That goes in for m times x minus x naught plus, now y naught, the y value, oops, and we're using a, I should have put a in here. A is our x value we're using. So you're finding the slope at a. The point you're using is a is the x value, f of a is the y value. All right, this is very important. Let's put this in a box. You're going to use this again, to get, and this is the tangent line at x equals a. In the future, you won't have to, you'll know rules for computing f prime, but for now we're going to use the definition. All right, let's go ahead and find f prime. All right, one of the trickiest parts is finding x plus h. So here we have 4x plus h squared plus 2 times x plus h plus 5. All right, I'm going to do the squaring right down here. So I need a big fraction. So it's 4 times x squared plus, now x plus h times x plus h, you have to FOIL it out. If that's tricky, no problem. Just write it out over here and FOIL it. So x times x is x squared. Outside is xh. Inside is xh. So plus 2xh plus h squared. Now I'm going to distribute the 2 here. Plus 2x plus 2h plus 5. Now all of that is f of x plus h right there. So now I'm going to subtract regular f of x right there. 4x squared plus 2x plus 5. And now I need to get that out of there. All this divided by h. Okay, let's distribute the 4. I'm going to distribute the 4 into these, and I'm going to distribute the negative sign over here to these. Possibly the worst fraction you've written in your life. 4x squared plus 8xh plus 4h squared plus 2x plus 2h plus 5. Now I'm distributing the negative 4x squared, negative 2x minus 5. All right, all this divided by h. Now, we really need things to cancel. So negative 5 plus 5 cancels. Negative 2x, positive 2x adds up to 0, cancels. Let's see, 4x squared, negative 4x squared cancels. 8xh plus 4h squared plus 2h divided by h. Factor out an h here. So we're left with 8x plus 4h plus 2. They all had an h here, so I factored an h out. Now, finally, we can cancel these h's here. And we're left with 8x plus 4h plus 2. And remember, when you're using the definition of derivative, your entire goal is cancel out that denominator h using algebra. We finally just knocked this h out with that h, and we're ready to plug in the limit value. So h is 0, 4 times 0 plus 2, 8x plus 2. All right, so that is f prime of x. All right, we need f prime of a. All right, I'll do that up further up to the right. All right, we're going to do all of this now. So our a value is 4. Now I'll switch colors. I'll go back to the black marker. A is 4. F prime of 4, we just wrote f prime down, 8x plus 2. So it's 8 times 4 plus 2. And 32, 34. We also need regular f of 4. So that's the original at the very top of the screen up here. We have our original f of x. So I'm plugging in 4 there. So f of 4. 4 times 4 squared plus 2 times 4 plus 5. So it's 16, 32, 64 plus 8 plus 5. 64 and 8, 52, 53, 57. So that's f of 4. Now I'm going to rewrite this. Y prime equals f prime of a times x minus a plus f of a. So our f prime is f prime of a is 34 times x minus a is 4 plus f of a is 57. So this is our answer here. This is a line in point slope form. You can get it into slope intercept form if you really want to. You distribute this 34x. Ooh, 34 times 4 is a lot. 132. I think it's 132 plus 57. All right, I'm not great at arithmetic. I believe that's right. It's close enough. And then you just add these two numbers together, and whatever that is, that negative number will be your b. I'm just going to guess it's 80-something, 85-ish, whatever that comes out to. All right, but this is how you go from point slope form into mx plus b form. So again, point slope form much better. So I'm going to erase this because it's probably wrong. So we're going to leave it in point slope form because that's the form you're going to naturally get in calculus whenever you're computing a tangent line.